In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly install uTorrent in Windows 10 and Windows 11 PC. So regardless if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, here's how to do it. Now, first things first, you can just head over to Google, and then from here, you can basically just type here uTorrent, and you should be able to see this one. Now, you want to make sure that you are going to use the classic, otherwise it's going to be a web one. So again, go ahead and click uTorrent Classic right here. This is going to be a desktop torrent client. Go ahead and click the free download here, and then you are redirected down here below. Now, what you are going to do is choose the basic one if you want to use it for free. Otherwise, you should be able to have here different options. So you can either buy this one right here. This is the ad-free. You have the Pro, which is going to cost you $19.95, and the Pro Plus VPN, which is $70. Now, I'm going to use a free version. But again, the installation for regardless of which one is going to be the same thing, except that you'll have to create an account and pay it the moment you do so for the others. I'm going to click this one right here, and there you go. Click next, and then click next once again. Agree here. Now, this one is an optional offer. It's going to be the Mac Cafe Web Advisor. In my case, I usually decline this one, and I just went ahead with the uTorrent. So I'm going to click next, and we can see that now it's trying to finish this. All right, seems like we are done. I'm going to go ahead and click the finish, and you should be able to see the uTorrent launch just like so. And yeah, head over to torrents, and then you can go ahead and click this one in order to put the torrent link that you have here. Alternately, you can also go ahead and just download from the site that is allowing torrents. Anyway, that is how quickly it is to install uTorrent in Windows PC. If you found this video helpful or informative, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Also, feel free to share in the comments how this video has helped you.